guys, it's Night Watch Tactical, and today we'll be polishing our airsoft magazine for our airsoft 1911. There's our magazine. As you can see, it's very completely dirty because the aluminum already oxidized. There you go. So to be able to polish the magazine, you will need to take the magazine apart. It just has two pins. Take these two pins and the pin right here. Take everything off, and for the polishing, you will need an angle grinder or a grinder with a buffing pad on it and some buffing soap. If you want to polish your mags with the original black paint on it, I will suggesting to remove the original paint so you can polish your mags. And for the most important part, you will need safety glasses because safety is #1 priority. So okay, let's hop into the video. Okay, for this you will take first the magazine apart. Just push these two pins. There you go. Make sure there's no gas because this will explode. Take the two pins out. Take these pins too. This pin right here. Stick it right there. Take this, take that, and just wiggle it around. And put all these important parts away. Be careful. Be careful of not losing these pins. Okay. Put this away. Oh yeah. It's ready for polishing. Hey guys, quick disclaimer. If you are going to do this to your airsoft magazine, this will not increase the airsoft performance. It's likely for aesthetic looks only. I will not suggest doing this to your brand new magazine, but if you really wanted to do it, so just do it. And if you have an old magazine, you can do this, so it will look shiny, looks brand new again. So yeah, let's hop into the video. Alright guys, let's start the video. Here's our mag. Already stripped all the parts off. It's already polishing up. By the way, I will get my cloth so I can clean. Here you go. I also forgot, you should have a cloth so you can clean it. Here's the before, here's the after. So yeah, let's keep buffing. There you go. One side already done. Next we will be doing this side. There you go. Very shiny. It's already getting very shiny. Here's the part is already been polished. Now here's the before. Here's the after. Let's just keep polishing. I will polish this part. And by the way, it's completely getting dark. There you go. It's now getting already shiny. Now let's polish this part. As you can see, very dirty. Let's turn this to this. Shit. My grinder don't work no more. There you go. Already 3 sides already polished. Here's the last, the back side. For this I will be polishing just right here because I don't want any debris to go in this valve. I will polish just right here, all this part. And I will be polishing the base plate too. So yeah, I will do that last. Wait, I will just turn the lights on because it's just completely getting dark. Alright, back to work. Let's polish this side. There you go. We are almost done. Oh, hold on. Still dirty in the sides. There you go. We are almost done, boys. Now, let's polish the base plate. Let's just take the base plate off. Polish this one. And I will set this aside so it will not get dirty and get debris. Set that part away. And let's polish this little tiny part. And there you go. We're already done. Now let's just put the parts back in the magazine. Again, let's assemble it. So okay guys, this is the before. As you can see, it is very dirty and filthy. And then here's the after results. As you can see, it's very shiny now and a lot of glare. Yeah, so very nice finished product. Guys, this is our final finished product. Very nice, shiny. Yes sir. For the slide, I did not polish this. I just make it like a brushed aluminum finish. That's for the slide. Because the slide is, I had this gun for about like 1 year or 2 years now, and the paint is just coming right off, so I just take the paint away. Here's a mag. Sheesh. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed yet, please like and subscribe my video, or maybe leave a comment. Yeah, thank you for watching.
Shop